I want to drive a car. Now, in Lost Spring, in the second part, the author writes about the children and people who work in bangle making factory. Mukesh is one such child. Mukesh, a child laborer in a glass factory in Firozabad, wishes to be a motor mechanic. He does not want to work as a bangle maker, he wants to be a motor mechanic. Wants to learn to drive a car. His family unaware that child labor is illegal and banned by law. The parents, the family of Mukesh, they are very ignorant, illiterate people. They don't know that child labor is banned and it is illegal. Working conditions in glass furnaces, high temperatures, dingy, ill-lit cells, poorly ventilated. Children lose eyesight at an early age. Now these glass furnaces, their working conditions are very bad. The temperature is very high because of the furnace, and they are very dingy, ill-lit cells. There is no proper light, there is no proper ventilation, and children working in near these furnaces, they generally lose eyesight at an early age because they are not accustomed to the sunlight. They work all day through in these dark, dingy cells, because of which many become asthmatic also, because it is not properly ventilated also, and they also get wounded because of the glass bits that are lying here and there near the furnace. The condition is very bad. Living conditions in Firozabad: stinking lanes choked with garbage, houses with crumbling walls, wobbly doors, and no windows. Humans and animals both live together in these hovels. Now, even their houses, because they are very poor, their lanes are choked with garbage, they are stinking, houses are not properly made, the walls are crumbling, and the doors are wobbly, shaky doors, and no windows. Humans and animals both live together in these hovels, in these ill-made places, improperly made houses. Animals and humans both live together. That means the living conditions in Firozabad of these laborers is very bad. Author visits Mukesh's house. Mukesh's house, a half-built shack with thatched dead grass roof and a wobbly iron door. Now the author visits Mukesh's house. Mukesh is very happy to take her to his house. His house is not properly built, it is half-built shack, that is, it has a roof of grass, dried grass, and the door also is very wobbly, very shaky. Firewood stove, aluminium utensils, houses, three generations share this house. Grandmother, grandfather, elder brother and his wife. Elder brother's wife, in charge of family members' welfare and cooking. A young, frail woman, she is cooking food. She cooks food for the entire family. The grandfather is blind. Observes custom of covering face with veil in front of male elders. They follow the customs. As soon as the father-in-law comes in the room, the daughter-in-law covers her face and moves behind the door.